Vybz Kartel, main prosecutor, forced to resign. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. This is going to be a quick one. Out and about, came across some news that on Friday, the 19th of April 2024, Prosecutor Paula Llewellyn, who has been the main prosecutor for the Jamaica Prosecution Service, Department of Public Prosecutions, has been ordered to resign by the court, and this is because she has reached the thin constitution has that as the time for retirement 60. That is subsequently changed by the new act. 3-year extension, but that extension, as I understand it, and this is all allegedly, has been ruled to be unconstitutional, and therefore, as of Friday, according to the judgment that I will go into more detail with later on, she's been asked to resign. Now, just to be clear, this decision has nothing to do specifically with the Vybz Kartel case. It more relates to an act which had been passed before the Jamaican government, and which has been held to be incompatible, the specific sections related to what I'm talking about now, incompatible with the Jamaica Constitution. And the issue with the act was that it hadn't been agreed between both of the main parties in Jamaica. But nevertheless, getting back to the implications on the Vybz Kartel case, in my view, and it's just a layman's view, I don't hold any weight or whatever, but I don't think it will necessarily play any significant part. I know that other people might feel differently, because whoever comes on board as the new Director of Public Prosecutions will have the same duty to push forward with prosecution where it's in, where there's merit to do so in order to fulfill the obligations of the job. But with that said, it won't be the same person performing that role or in charge of that role. But nevertheless, some people might be happy about the decision. I'm not going to get into that, but safe to say that according to that ruling, as of Friday gone, 19th of April 2024, Paula Llewellyn will no longer be the Director of Public Prosecutions, as far as I'm aware. Now, as I say, this is all allegedly. People must do their own research. I'm not going to be held liable for anything that I'm saying in this report, but that's my understanding from the decision of the court. Now, please let me have your comments on this latest news. Please also like, share, comment and subscribe. As you know, we've been following this case. As I understand it, the next hearing in the Vybz Kartel case will be on the 10th of June 2024, I believe, in the summer, where they will decide whether, further to the decision of the Privy Council, whether he will be retried or not. But nonetheless, please make sure you leave a comment, like, comment, share and subscribe. Big up all the subscribers, big up all the watchers and listeners, and for now, I'm done talking. Having taken a look through the 58-page judgment, this is just a layman's view. It seems that the point in the case is that it was constitutional to increase the age from 60 to 65, but what cannot be done, and what should have been done, is that the original age of 60, which was the max, there wasn't a way that you could simply say that the incumbent would be able to go beyond that, essentially, without agreement of both parties. As I understand it, that's what the judgment seems to be saying. So, Ms. Paula Llewellyn, when did the change to make it go from 60 to 65 was introduced? At that point, she was already 60, so therefore the new legislation wouldn't have and couldn't apply to her. And it's on that basis why my understanding is that the effect of the judgment would be that she would essentially have to resign, because she's already passed the age of 60 at the time, quite rightly, because the constitutional decision, the change from 60 to 65 occurred. So that's my understanding of what the judgment is saying. And yeah, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I should add, and I'm going to need to seek confirmation on this, that it is possible for this decision to be appealed. So we'll see whether the Attorney General, on behalf of the government, will be appealing this decision. Done talking. Apologise for the poor sound quality on this one. An out and about production. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Big up all the watchers and listeners. Done talking.